Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to disable the AI assistant block in WordPress so you can take full control of your website without that extra AI distraction. This method is fully up to date and works in just a few simple steps, so stick around till the end. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress site. Click the login button at the top right corner. If you're using Google to sign in, select the account linked to your WordPress site. This helps avoid any permission issues. Once you're logged in, look for the Edit Site quick link on your dashboard and enter the site editor. This is where you control all your site's blocks and settings. Next, in the top right corner of the editor, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it and select Preferences. Inside Preferences, navigate to the block section where you'll find all the block settings available on your site. Scroll through until you see the AI Assistant toggle. Simply switch it off. That's it. This action removes the AI Assistant block from all pages on your website, giving you a cleaner, distraction-free editing experience. And there you have it, a fast and reliable way to disable the AI Assistant block in WordPress. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.